Hey guys, for today's video, you'll learn how to change the text to speech voice in your TikTok videos. This is a very simple solution to your very simple problem. So please watch the whole video to fully and completely understand. The first step is obviously opening your TikTok app. You will see your homepage. This is where posts appear. As you can see, there's a plus button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that and it'll allow you to add or make videos. Just make one and then move on to the text. Add a text by clicking this, the AA button, and then tap whatever you want. Now click on it and it'll say text to speech.
Hello.
As you can see, it said something. Now, your text-to-speech voice has been changed. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.